How long does a Zelle transfer take? Zelle is known for fast money transfers between US bank accounts, and in many cases, payments arrive within minutes. However, transfer times can vary depending on several factors. One important factor is whether the recipient is already enrolled in Zelle. If the recipient has already registered, the money is usually delivered almost instantly. But if they are not enrolled yet, they must complete the registration process first before accessing the funds, which can cause delays. Although Zelle is designed for instant transfers, some users have reported transactions taking up to 3 business days in certain situations. The banks involved can also affect transfer speed. While many banks process Zelle payments instantly, some institutions may take longer because of internal processing systems or security checks. Security measures can also impact timing. Transactions involving large amounts or payments to new recipients may trigger fraud reviews, causing temporary holds. In some cases, users have experienced delays of 1 to 3 business days because of these verification processes. The type of account may also matter. Transfers from checking accounts may process faster, while savings accounts can sometimes require additional verification. Overall, Zelle aims to provide quick and seamless transfers, but factors such as recipient enrollment, bank policies, security reviews, and account type can affect how long the transfer takes. If you are making a time sensitive payment, it is always a good idea to allow extra time in case of delays.